I'm in love with rhythms.
Les gens vont encore dire que je pass me the light. Africa tonight, today not today oh. Mommy or daddy, on est tous validés oh. Kereba, Alaji Bayasa, Kereba, Hakuna Matata.
Tell me how you feeling bad. When I saw I get it hurt,
Hi people, so welcome back to my channel, my vlog, my everyday everything vlog. So what I'm going to be showing you today is how I do my face scrub every week. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and all the things are natural because your girl is all about natural. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using for my face scrub. It is a 100% natural cucumber face scrub. It is comprised of cucumber and apricot seeds. When you apply it on your face, you can feel it. You can feel how good it is. It feels good. When you scrub, you feel perfect. When you finish, you look like a diamond. You look like a pearl, a diamond, a pearl. Oh, guys. It's to pull my hair back because I don't want to destroy this cutie. So, I clean my face first of all, and then I open my face scrub. Oh, it's so nice. And it smells good also. Nice smell.
Vouloir nous nuire, c'est comme mettre une marmite de conneries sur le feu. Ça va cuire sur toi. I get the license to blow up your mind, brother. I get the license to blow up your mind, sister.
Guys, you can see the apricot seeds in it. If you look carefully, you can see the seeds. Look. It is kind of paste, like paste. Yeah, and you scrub gently. I like to go around my nose. Sorry guys, I have to use a mirror. So, scrub gently.
Faut pas nous les fouer des bobos, mais pourquoi tu mets ma faute pour vérité de tes copains? Côté le bon, la baba, on met le sang, on fout de ça, foutre la pression, bagarrer, ça déchirer les caleçons. Oh là, le temps passe pour des bêtises, on se presse, passe que le monde masse pour la moula comme passe. On se brasse pas froid, qui t'a déposé nos traces. Moi, pour déposer les miennes, y'a les fiens sur trace. Arrive à l'Afrique dans ta télévision. C'est le monde incroyable de Gumball. Le Cameroun est trop développé. Dans un autre boîte, y'a des terrains, des festivals.
So guys, you have to do it in a circular motion. Circular. Like this. That's exactly what I'm doing. Circular. Go all the way, all over your face.
How you feeling bad. When I saw I get it hurt,
Kereba, Alaji Bayasa, Kereba, Hakuna Matata.
j'ai la puissance. À la catombe, à la calacatombe. I got the power. À la catombe, à la calacatombe. J'ai la puissance. I got the power to take you go higher. Quand je vais te toucher, tu vas t'enjailler. Quand je vais te toucher, tu vas t'enjailler.
So after applying the scrub on my face, I usually wait like 10 to 15 minutes before I wash. So we're gonna wait. Hi guys, so I'm back. Now you can see the result. Oh, it feels so smooth and soft. My face is so oily, so I usually use the face scrub every week or twice a week sometimes, because it helps get rid of the oil and leaves me with a smooth skin. So when I finish with the face scrub, I usually apply some body lotion. See, it's Vaseline. So I usually apply it to my face afterward. So guys, ta-da! So guys, this is the end result. This is the end result. See? If you are interested in this, I will tell you how to get it online. I will write down. So check down, you will see how to get this. The name is Wokali, refreshing and smooth moisturizing with cucumber and apricot seed extract to purify and moisturize skin. It is so good, guys. You need to try this. You guys need to try this. B3. It's a healthy even tone UV protection. It protects you from sunburn. So, and it is very nice. You got to try this also. Try it, you will love it. If you try it, you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please don't forget, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to press the bell button down so that you will get notification when I upload any new vlog. You know, your girl likes to vlog. Take care and peace. Peace, peace, peace. Mwah.